Coughing can be irritating, especially if it's late at night and it's the weekend and you can't reach a provider. So you go to your local grocery store or your pharmacy and you try to look for something that can help you soothe that cough. Well, you have to determine whether you have a dry cough or a wet cough. If you have a dry cough, you can use things such as lozenges to help increase salivation. You can hydrate yourself, and you can use honey as well. There are age restrictions on these items, so just make sure you are checking. If you have a wet cough, you can move on to the Robitussin. They do come in a child formulation, an adult formulation, and then there is also a diabetic formulation as well. These medications have an ingredient that will help you spit out any phlegm that you have to help reduce any irritation that it's causing to your throat.